Now the question is, who can be a UX designer? Simplest answer is anyone can be a UX designer. Just need to study something about human psychology and few things about how humans interact and behave around digital products or any other products. Okay, you have seen that I have shown everything about humans, so this is all about humans. That is why it is called human-centered design. Now if you are a UI designer, you can easily become a UX designer because you already know few things about design. What you need to learn is human psychology and human behavior using digital products. You already know half of UX design because you already know that how these layouts or typography or colors are going to grab user attention, or whether user can click this button or not, how big this button should be or something like that. If you are a UI designer, you already know the psychology behind designs and visual information. You know how to lay out information. You know how to present information. Now how you are going to shift from a developer to a UX designer? If you are a programmer or you are a coder, then you know how things are implemented. You know the backbone of everything. UX team might call you an engineer or software developer or something like that. You can easily understand while watching the usability test or users, or maybe user interviews, or when the UX designers are planning for something, you know that how we can achieve this, how we can make our product load fast, or maybe some valuable things like that. Okay. So you already know how to implement things. You need to know the user psychology and how different things affect user behavior. If you master those things or the essentials of user experience concepts, you can easily become a UX designer. Whenever user investigators or user interviewers take the team to interview users, they always take an engineer or a programmer with them, because programmers can see the pains behind the user interface. They can see why this problem is occurring. Maybe it is a database connection error, or maybe the error is not viewable, or maybe the font is very small when rendered from the server or something like that. Okay, so they can come up with a lot of practical solutions. So that is all about becoming a UX designer from a designer background or a developer background. If you have any more questions, you can ask me. The same applies to SEO engineers and other people who have development or a computer background. So if you have any questions, do ask me. I will wait for your questions. Now let's move on to the next lesson.